Hello and welcome to Minecraft, and I'm going to be telling you guys about the cellular structures of a plant cell. So as we see here first, this is the cell wall. The cell wall is the outside of the cell, and it is a plasma membrane of the cells of plants, fungi, and bacteria, and it consists mostly of cellulose. Now the inner part of the cell is a cell membrane. It is the thin outside layer that surrounds the cytoplasm of a cell and controls the movement of materials into and out of the cell. This is the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a watery gel-like substance that fills the inside of a cell, and it is what the other cellular objects float around in while they are in the cell. And you can see the objects are floating in the cytoplasm. This structure right here is a lysosome. It is a tiny sac-like part in a cell that contains enzymes which can break down materials. This structure right here is the mitochondria. It is known as the powerhouse of the cell, and there are organelles that act like a digestive system which takes in nutrients, breaks them down, and also creates energy-rich molecules for the cell. This big blue structure right here is the vacuole. The vacuole is a storage bubble found in cells. They are found in both animal and plant cells, but are much larger in plant cells, as you can see here. The endoplasmic reticulum is a type of organelle, and it is a collection of tubes that make basically like a package and transports proteins and fats. This right here is a nucleolus, and it is a part of a eukaryote cell, which is where ribosomes are made. So this big structure right here is the nucleus. The nucleus is basically the most important structure in any cell, and it is the main control center and acts like the cell's brain. These little string-like structures right here is a chromosome. Chromosomes are tiny structures inside cells. They're made from DNA and protein, and the information inside of the chromosomes act like a type of recipe that tells cells how to function and replicate. Structures right here are chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are small organelles inside the cells of plants and algae. They absorb light to make sugar in a process called photosynthesis, and the sugar can be stored in the form of starch. This right here is the Golgi Apparatus. The Golgi Apparatus is an organelle that acts as the packaging center of the cell. It takes in protein, changes it, modifies it, and places it in shipping containers called vesicles. These are the ribosomes. The ribosomes is a small organelle involved in the process of making protein, which is called protein synthesis. The ribosome handles translation, which is the second part of protein synthesis. And ribosomes can be found floating freely in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. This is the whole cell. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.